to Salvador. We literally just got through security in like 3 minutes. About to head to the new destination and see what it has to offer.
Pretty excited. Rio's been good, but
Time for
definitely ready for something new. By the way, anything goes in this airport. We just brought a huge thing of water through the security. I definitely have a bottle of shaving cream in my bag, all over 3.5 ounces. Off to Salvador.
Vamos. Alright, so we are here in Salvador. It is Sunday. We are going to try this dish called feijoada.
It's a popular dish here in Brazil, especially on Sunday, Saturday or Sunday. It's supposed to put you to sleep afterward because it's so heavy. Meat,
Beans, pork,
rice,
just very heavy.
tons of meat and carbs, just, yeah.
Make you pass out. This is feijoada, the famous food of Brazil. So you have this, the arroz. This is like the breadcrumbs. This spicy as hell. Quinn's gonna dive into the spicy stuff because that's his favorite.
Oh yeah, I can do that. We're about to dive into this and probably pass out afterward.
On the beach.
On the beach, that's right. For sunset.
We are in a place that has open ventilation in Salvador, and with that open ventilation, we can't close it, so there are mosquitoes in here, and I just killed one, and there was
We are getting
blood.
destroyed. They're all over our ankles, feet. And there's a huge one, you can't really tell, but it's right there.
About to take this thing out. All right, you ready?
Got the back moves. Oh, got it!
I think.
No, it's right here, it's right here, it's right
Where?
here.
Hold on.
No, wait, it's right. It's there, it's there. Bro, you need two. Just slap it together.
Where'd it go?
I don't know, you just hit it way over there.
Where is it? I don't know how
Houston,
it
we have a
survived.
problem.
I don't know how it. This was malaria waiting to happen, and there's more, and we are about to hunt them down.
Another one down. Dylan. Where you at? There he is.
This one I'm gonna get.
Where?
The one right there. Ready?
No, I don't see it.
Right above me.
Oh, wait. I'm zooming in. Okay, yeah.
Got it.
You got it? Another one down. I think we should start a business.
Call it the skeeter eater. Oh, bro, it landed right here.
Bam. Result of our mosquito problems.
Oh, I'm so tired of them. Oh, and it's both my ankles. Here.
Yeah, look at that.
This is warm. Out here in Salvador, Bahia.
But there's hella people. I don't know. If you're
Aqui. Sim. Você aqui, junto. Filmando todo mundo por...
É melhor você filmar dali não pra cá?
Mesmo momento. Juntos.
Você vai pular também?
Sim, sim.
Não é melhor você filmar lá embaixo não?
Nós pulando, não dá pra você filmar e pular. Não vai dar pra filmar. Você fica na água filmando.
Também, junto. Também.
mesmo momento.
É, vai todo mundo junto. Vai dar pra ele. gente vai pular todo mundo aqui, ó.
Oh, that would be a good spot.
Yeah, sim. Sim.
Huh? Nobody was ready. Really? 3, 2, 1.
So, we're at the airport in Salvador. I'm going to Recife. We had a little miscue this morning. We were supposed to pay Dylan's friend's friend who hosted us, or who allowed us to stay at her house. And so we pulled out cash last night. I set it on the table, went to sleep, and this morning we look and the cash was not there. We were worried that either somehow someone had taken it, but that didn't seem possible at all. And then we thought maybe she had come to pick it up. She said that she didn't. Turns out I had moved it right before going to bed into my like money pouch. That ended up in my backpack. So I think I had done that thinking that it would be safer, but turns out it was all it did was cause problems. So we have about 900 or 700 reais, almost 800 reais.
Basically $200.
$200 with us that needs to get in the hands of Luma, the girl who allowed us to stay at her place.
So I am messaging my friend to explain the situation, being that she doesn't speak English. But we are in the airport in Salvador heading to Recife. We have a few days in Recife. And then from here, we will go to Maceió and then São Paulo. So we're kind of closing in on the beginning of the end of the second half of the trip. So on our way out.